Shelling hit an oil reservoir in a suburban district of the Russian-controlled Donetsk city on December 16, setting the reservoir aflame. It was the second time in the last 24 hours and the third time this week that the artillery fire hit oil storage in Donetsk. The capital of the self-proclaimed Donetsk People's Republic was annexed by Russia amid an ongoing military operation against Ukraine in September of 2022. The Russian-backed city authorities haven't commented on the incident. There was been no immediate response from Ukraine. Reuters was unable to independently verify the number of casualties or determine who was responsible for the shelling. The city of Donetsk has been under Russian control since 2014, but Ukrainian troops continue to hold positions on its outskirts and it regularly comes under artillery fire. Donetsk is one of 4 regions of Ukraine that Russia partly occupies and claimed as its own territory last year in a move condemned as illegal by most members of the United Nations.